Alright, here we got the Evinrude 2 horsepower. It's a gas oil mixture. Gas it up. I always treat it with love. Give it the good stuff. That's the Pennzoil marine oil, 2-cycle marine oil. Alright, we're going to let out the air valve here a little bit. Turn it on. There we go. Bring it up to the start position. It says start right there. Pull the choke out, half choke. There we go. Turn off the throttle. Alright, push the choke back in. And away we go. There you go, high speed. Adjust the choke against the carburetor. A little bit louder. You get a little bit more speed out of it. Open up the carb a little bit better. Like that. Alright, bring it down to the idle now. Controlling speed. Slow. What we're doing over here now. Alright, as you can see here, we got my 1984 Johnson 2 horsepower Seahorse. You know, you pull out the choke all the way and get it started. Put it on start. An idiot can do this. Believe me, I am an idiot. Turn off the accelerator here and the throttle. Full blast. And there you go. Easiest thing in the world. And you're going to have a world of fishing fun out here with one of these, let me tell you. Alright, pushing the choke all the way. Crank her up to top speed. Bring that baby right up to top speed. Alright, 1984 Johnson 2 horsepower Seahorse motor. You're going to use the same mixture. You're going to use 4 ounces of marine grade 2-cycle engine oil for every gallon of regular gas. Alright, and now what we like to do out here sometimes is double our pleasure with 2 motors. You gotta live the life, baby.